Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover an Arbitrum Gaming airdrop. This is a very easy airdrop to do. It's only 2 tasks and take you 5 minutes. This game is called Cradles and we are going to check exactly how you can get this airdrop. Like always in my videos, we check a little bit about the project. I normally don't cover airdrops about specific games, but I have been checking all the gaming ecosystem for investment. Went into this game that just launched the token and they have a very under the radar airdrop for the token on the game. So I thought that it was a good idea to cover it. It's only 2 tasks, you are going to do it in 5 minutes. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well this game is called Cradles and stands out as AAA MMORPG. AAA, if you don't know, is a category of quality for gaming. That means that it's a very high quality game. And the other means multiplayer online role-playing game. So that is the type of game that we are covering now in the blockchain industry. Boosting features such as PvP, PvE, ecological strategies, and the discovery of extinct species. Gamers can traverse cities, hunt for treasuries, and solve puzzles in bustling taverns and casinos. And this project is led by Animoca Brands, and you can see in the Twitter section, if you check for Cradles, you will see here Animoca Brands, which is a very important company on the gaming industry. They have also metaverses and many other things you can check here. All the brands that they are behind or partnered with. So this is a very important game. You also can check this website, which is cradles.io, one of the points that we are going to see here. And you can see a little bit about the game here on Steam, so you can have access to this. And you can see the quality is actually very amazing. And they have a YouTube channel where you actually can check a lot about the game. The quality is really stunning in some things. Important facts about Cradles is that they secured 6 million from notable investors such as Animoca Brands, like we covered, Huobi Ventures and many others. And they are distributing 100,000 SCRDS tokens for this event. This was just in one of their tweets. This is really under the radar, and I know that 100,000 tokens is not too much, but because it's really under the radar, even with the amount of likes on that specific tweet of this campaign, so I think you may get a portion of that amount, and I really don't know how much can value that, but yesterday, the 22nd of November, they launched their official token here. You can see it's launched only in Bybit, and right now it's 22 cents, and you can see it was only launched yesterday, so yeah, pretty new in the market, the token. This is running on Arbitrum, and this token is not the one for the airdrop. This is the governance token, let's call it, and this is a specific token for the game. I really don't know how much this token could value. Now let's go to the 2 steps for this video. Really easy and directly to the point. The first one is that you need to register. So here you have the link for cradles.io/register. You can use my invite code to support the channel. If not, you just remove that part of the URL. And when you complete the registration, you will see that you will get also an invitation code. So you can share that code with many other people that you want in order to get some points, because this is a points-based reward. But besides the sharing of the points or the registration, then the step 2 is that you go to the rank section and you can complete very easy tasks. Go here to this link and you will go to the invite rank section, which is this one. Here you need to connect your wallet, and you need to do it using Arbitrum. So move to Arbitrum, and here you can see that I already have all the points for this. You will get at least 75 points. You are going to be eligible. So 5 points for follow them on Twitter, post some tweet, also complete another tweet, retweet. You need to link the Discord. So once you link your Discord, you're going to be able to get these 10 points. You need to speak something in the channel chat and put a screenshot and you need to register an account, which is something that you already did in step 1. So after you register the account, you will be able to claim this. So doing this task, you have 75 points. There is not going to be more tasks, so with doing this, you already secure your distribution for those 100,000 tokens for this in-game project, which is really cool. So I don't want to extend anymore. I will put the link on the description for those 2 points, and here you have the official Medium page that they launched for this bounty for points with a reward. Here you have basically the information that I already covered. So that will be all for this 2 easy tasks to do. Maybe you get some points of this, and with some luck that could worth something. But it's really easy to task, 5 minutes of your time. Before we leave, remember that I have covering a lot of airdrops. Last video I covered the Pyth network airdrop distribution. We did a lot of money in my Discord. Many people were eligible for this airdrop. Myself, I was eligible in many of my airdrop wallets that I use for farming. So don't forget that I have my private Discord. My private Discord is one of the best things if you are following airdrop. We manage high level of information, and you don't want to miss the airdrop distributions because I don't really cover them in YouTube. If you want to be alert with that, join my Discord, and you have also my app here where you can check here this video on how my application works. It's an application that I created to register your progress on airdrops and apply to the airdrops easily. Not only the airdrops that I cover, you can use your custom airdrops too. So it's a good idea to use this app because with the Excel files, you are going to be crazy after a while. So check my subscriptions for my app and my Discord are really cheap, and check my other videos. I covered already Gary Coin. This is a pre-sale and an airdrop that is live right now. It's against Gary Gensler and all the corruption, not only in US, but targeting the decentralized justice concept, which I think is really interesting based on the DAO. So the community will be able to take the decisions of everything that the project is going to do. Very interesting project too, and many other things I have been covering for the last weeks and months in terms of airdrops that are still active. So check my videos, check my subscriptions, and get your free tokens for Cradles Arbitrum Gaming Airdrop. 2 tasks only takes 5 minutes. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.